Property disputes between siblings are among the most common and most emotionally charged conflicts in Indian courts. But the law lays out a clear path to resolution, and litigation is only the last stop on it. Here is the full route, step by step. First, identify the property type, because everything flows from it. Ancestral property is property inherited from up to 4 generations in a direct male line. And under the Hindu Succession Act, 1956, as amended in 2005, all children, sons and daughters equally, have a birthright in it as co-parceners. Self-acquired property is earned or purchased by the owner with their own income, and the owner can distribute it as they wish through a will. If the owner dies without a will, the property devolves upon Class 1 heirs, the spouse, children, and mother, in equal shares. One caveat before you calculate your share. For Muslims, inheritance is governed by personal law, and for Christians and Parsis, by the Indian Succession Act, 1925. Know which framework applies to your family before you stake a claim. Before any lawsuit, try settlement. A family arrangement, an agreement in which family members distribute the property among themselves, is legally recognized, and if made in writing and signed by all parties, it is valid and enforceable, with no court needed. Or bring in a professional mediator. Under the Mediation Act 2023, mediated settlements have the force of a court decree. Many courts now require mandatory pre-litigation mediation for civil disputes, and it can save years of litigation time and significant costs. If informal talks fail, send a formal legal notice. State your legal claim, describe the property precisely, survey numbers, area, and location, and ask the other side to settle amicably or respond within a specified period. A notice signals that litigation will follow, and that signal alone often brings everyone back to the negotiating table. The final remedy is a suit for partition under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, filed in the civil court with jurisdiction over the property's location. You must be a co-owner or have a demonstrable legal interest in the property. The court first passes a preliminary decree establishing the share of each party, and then a final decree directing the actual division, either physical partition or sale and division of the proceeds. If the parties cannot agree on how to divide, the court may appoint a commissioner to carry out the partition. You will need the property documents, title deed, sale deed, or mutation records, a family tree establishing your relationship to the original owner, death certificates of deceased owners, and any will or family arrangement documents that exist. Court fees are typically calculated as a percentage of the property's market value, varying by state, but often around 5%. Expect the suit to run 1 to 3 years, depending on complexity, location, and whether the claim is contested. Settle if you can. Litigate if you must. And engage a lawyer who specializes in property law for the best outcome. For more details, visit our website and subscribe.